scissors in my hand, cardboard on the floor like a master plan. Nothing fancy, nothing rare, just a little grit and a whole lot of flair. Dust in the air, yeah, we're ready to roll, turning scraps into something gold. If you think it's trash, think again, my friend. Watch this cardboard rise in the end. We don't need magic spells or silver knives, just glue, sticks, tape, and creative lives. Every cut, every fold feels like treasure, feels like gold. Hey, hey, we're hunting beauty in the daylight. Frames so clean, they shine so bright. From the shadows to the wall, cardboard heroes stand tall. Hey, whip, hey, with a whistle and a grin, we're crafting wins again and again. No monsters here, no fear in sight, just DIY done right. Measure it once, cut it clean, simple line, sharp routine. Layer it up, press it tight, watch it come to life tonight. Paint or leave it raw and real, either way the magic's sealed. Proof that less can still impress when you build it with finesse. No fancy store, no heavy cost, we make the most of what we've got. From cardboard scraps to something bold, that's the story being told. Hey, hey, we're hunting beauty in the daylight. Frames so clean, they shine so bright. From the shadows